Sam, a squirrel, loved acorns and friends. Sunny day. Sam met Bella, the blue-feathered bird. They became best friends. Daily laughter, shared stories. Bella's hurt wing grounded her. Sam helped. He cared. She healed, then flew. She thanked Sam for his help. Bella soared, singing joyfully. Sam smiled, their friendship special. Sam and Bella's bond